Welcome back. Today we're going to go through the forward lunge. So in the forward lunge, you're developing basically everything in your lower body, but we want to start the movement with both your feet side by side and take a step forward. Control your back knee down to about the turf or down to the floor. You shouldn't smash your knee on the floor, and then return back to your starting position. When returning back to your starting position, you shouldn't drag your foot. You shouldn't lean backwards. You should have your power coming from your hips. As with all lunge variations, if you're doing a split squat, a reverse lunge, or a forward lunge, the longer your stride, the more posterior chain you're going to hit. So it's going to emphasize more of your butt and hamstring a little bit more if you have a longer stride. If you have a shorter stride, you're going to be hitting a little bit more quads. So long as that movement is pain-free, it's totally okay to do. So those shorter strides where you have more emphasis on the quads, it's going to require more knee bend, which will put a little bit more pressure through the knee, but that's not a bad thing if you're trying to grow your quads so long as you're pain-free. If you are having knee pain, I wouldn't recommend implementing a forward lunge. A much more suited exercise for you would be a reverse lunge. The reason that is your working side, that front leg, isn't moving anywhere. So if you're taking that step backwards, it's going to have less pressure on that front knee, and it's going to allow you to perform the exercise more pain-free. So however you decide to perform the lunge, if it's a forward lunge, a reverse lunge, with a longer stride or a shorter stride, decide which variation you want to use and just be consistent, and then develop that variation of the forward lunge. I'd recommend that you aim for 90 degrees at the front and the back knees. That's going to get you some even development between all of the lower body muscles, and it's a great way to develop lower body strength as a whole. That is your forward lunge. Go ahead and like the video, give us a subscribe, let us know what kind of content you want to see next by commenting in the comment section below, and we'll see you soon! Rapid